My name's Maddie, and I'll be your tour guide as we explore this beautiful chaparral terrain. We're out here in the deserts of Western California. It's flat, grassy, and deserted. And if you look here in the background, Daniela, you can see the beautiful and wonderful mountains off in the distance. This biome is located at 30 to 50 degrees north and 30 to 40 degrees south. The average temperatures go no higher than 120 degrees, and although the summers are very hot and dry, temperatures drop to below freezing most of the time. We're out here looking for common animals found in the chaparral biome, such as bunnies and jackrabbits. Same thing. They're out here, but we can't find them, so we'll keep you updated. This beautiful tree is an example of the blue oak. They are very, very common in the chaparral biome, and they can survive temperatures up to 120 degrees, and as well as low temperatures down to about 10. These trees are the olive trees. They produce fruit, but only whenever they have full exposure to the sun. They are able to survive in very nutrient-poor soil due to their roots and ability to capture groundwater. The animals have to adapt to these mountains. They have to be able to climb better and have better balance so that they can escape from predators and live better. The soil lacks many essential nutrients in the growth of plants. It is also very dry and dusty, which leads to a lot of erosion, making it hard for plants to actually be planted. The soil contains toxic elements such as magnesium, nickel, and chromium. Underneath this layer is a sedimentary layer, and under that is water, which is why the long roots are vital to their survival, as they are left with a great source of water during the drier months. This soil composition, along with the arid climates and occasional fires, limit the abilities of this biome.
Hi, my name is Daniela, and I will be the second tour guide today. I'm excited to show you guys around. You can see how I'm in between both the desert and the mountainous areas. The environment of this type of land definitely affects the amount of plant life that is occurring in this biome. It varies a lot. It doesn't stay the same throughout the entire year because of climate changes. The animals that live in this biome are able to survive with very little water. They are also able to do well in the heat of the summer and the cooler winter temperatures. Some of the human activities that's affecting this biome is that humans drive through the fields that are here. As we can see, if you can come close, you see the trails right here. It definitely leaves a very negative mark. So please, let's stop and make our biome better. The amount of buildings that humans are building or making are having a huge effect in this biome. As you can see, look all this waste that they leave on the ground. It's unnecessary and it's very unhealthy for our animals that live here. Another human activity that's having an effect in this biome is that humans build tourist attractions such as the one behind me. They built them in the chaparral biome, which has definitely affected animal life, plant life, and a lot of other things. But how does it affect it? Well, it affects us because it takes away space from where the animals are or where their habitats are, and it takes away their food and the way that they live. Some of the characteristics of the plants is that they have hairy textures to hold in water. They are also highly flammable, and plants have to adapt to their climate due to the fact that it varies so much during the year. They have to grow longer roots so they can absorb more water during the drier times of the year. So the huge ears of the jackrabbit can help regulate its body heat by increasing or decreasing the blood flow through its ears. That's an example of the adaptation living things need to have or make to live in this biome. Okay, another example would be the gray fox. It's solitary hunter and eats a lot of different things such as berries and birds and rabbits as well. The puma, a secondary consumer, is incredibly adapted to this environment. They hunt deer, insects, and birds too. They will kill and eat small or large animals to live in this biome. So fox and coyotes are also an example of secondary consumers because they eat smaller animals, primary consumers such as rabbits and other animals. Thank you so much for joining us in this crazy and fun adventure.